Thank you for your interest in NuVue's winter shrub cover. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your shrub cover. Step 1. Untie the 2 fabric ties that are securing the cover closed. Step 2. Untie the bag holding the 4 ground spikes. Step 3. Tie any loose, untied red ties to the fiberglass poles. These are on the inside of the cover. Step 4. Place the winter shrub cover over the plants or shrubs you wish to protect. Step 5. With a rubber mallet, hammer the 4 ground spikes through the NuVue Materials tab at the bottom 4 corners of the winter cover. The ground spikes should be installed at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 4 ground spikes securing the cover to the ground. Step 2. Push both ends of the cover so that it lays flat. Step 3. Tie the loose end ties in a bow tie to hold the cover closed. Step 4. Store in a dry place until the next use.